Welcome to Best Choice. The best Snail Mucin is probably one of the most talked about skincare ingredients in recent years, and for good reason. This moisturizer, derived from snail secretions, promises intense hydration and skin repair. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Snail Mucin moisturizers, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for your skin. Number 5. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Moisturizer. This moisturizer stands out because it has a high concentration of snail mucin filtrate, 97.5%. This makes it more effective than other snail creams. You will see the difference. We promise you'll start seeing healthier, more youthful skin quickly. You should notice improvements within the first few days of using this product. It's designed to deliver noticeable results. This Korean skincare product is made in a cruelty-free environment. The snails are treated ethically, living and moving naturally. It's a product you can feel good about using. This formula is packed with natural ingredients, including 72% organic content. It also contains shea butter, aloe, jojoba, and vitamin E. These ingredients work together for great results. This snail cream won't clog your pores. It's full of nutrients that will give you a youthful, glowing complexion. Enjoy the benefits without any worries. What we like. This product boasts an impressive 97.5% snail mucin concentration, making it a powerhouse for skin repair. It's also packed with organic and naturally derived ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective formula. If you're looking for a potent, ethically sourced moisturizer to combat aging and boost skin health, you should consider this one. What people say. Really hydrating. The cream is rich and leaves my skin plump and comfortable. It makes my face glow, feels soft, and helps with my hormonal acne. Number 4. MIZON Snail Repair Cream, Hydrating and Nourishing Moisturizer. Introducing the MIZON Snail Repair Cream. This cream is designed to hydrate and nourish your skin. It's a must-have for your skincare routine. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It's creamy but not greasy, so it won't leave your skin feeling sticky. It deeply hydrates and revitalizes your skin. It contains 40,000 ppm of snail mucin. This ingredient supports your skin's natural repair process. It helps reduce blemishes and smooth fine lines. The cream helps improve your skin texture and fade scars. It also enhances elasticity and creates a moisture barrier for lasting hydration. Using it regularly will make your skin healthier. This is a Korean skincare essential suitable for all skin types. It provides nourishment and soothing care. Use it daily for a more radiant complexion. What we like. This moisturizer offers a lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly, providing deep hydration without feeling heavy. It's designed to revitalize stressed skin and improve texture, reducing the appearance of blemishes and fine lines. If you have dull or stressed skin and want a daily moisturizer that won't clog pores, it's a great choice. What people say. My skin is moisturized, glowing and super soft. I can't go on enough on how soft it is. This stuff keeps my skin incredibly soft, smooth, and matte. It's perfectly hydrating for me and does not leave an oily residue like most moisturizers do. Number 3. VGO Snail Mucin 92% Moisturizer. This moisturizer is infused with 92% snail secretion filtrate and ceramides. It calms redness and irritation while strengthening your skin's moisture barrier. The star ingredient is snail secretion filtrate at a 92% concentration. It's rich in hyaluronic acid, proteins, and antioxidants to revitalize your skin and enhance its natural glow. Antioxidants and peptides from pure snail mucin help boost collagen. This visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin firmer and more elastic. The rich formula includes hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture deep into the skin. It locks in hydration all day, leaving your complexion plump, soft, and dewy. This moisturizer is hypoallergenic and free of parabens, fragrances, and harmful additives. It's safe for all skin types, especially dry or sensitive skin. What we like. This cream is specifically formulated to soothe and repair sensitive skin, thanks to its high concentration of snail mucin and ceramides. It also boasts youth-boosting anti-aging properties, helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. If you have dry or sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective anti-aging solution, you should consider this one. What people say. It's a good quality cream that adapts to your skin type with daily use. You'll have a more youthful and naturally radiant complexion. It also helps with blemishes on your face. The results were spectacular, with deep hydration. Snail Mucin, along with other ingredients like hyaluronic acid and betaine, helps replenish moisture and create a barrier to keep skin hydrated for longer. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly and leaves my skin soft, radiant, and never greasy, even with sensitive skin. After just a few days, I noticed a real improvement in hydration and overall skin appearance. Number 2. ITSDAWN Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream 100g. Introducing ITSDAWN Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream. This cream is designed to improve your skin's natural radiance and vitality. It's perfect for those seeking deep hydration and a smoother complexion. This cream features a high concentration of snail secretion filtrate. This key ingredient helps to repair and rejuvenate your skin. It creates a protective barrier for lasting hydration. Experience the ultimate skincare indulgence with this formula. It provides deep hydration and nourishment, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. You'll notice a smoother texture and a radiant complexion. The Snail Mucin is harvested in a safe and environmentally friendly way. It's 100% natural and hypoallergenic, ensuring it's gentle on your skin. The process doesn't harm the snails. Applying this cream is easy. Simply apply a small amount to your face and neck. Massage it in using circular motions and lightly pat for absorption. Use it morning and evening for best results. What we like. With its advanced Snail Mucin formula, this cream promises lasting hydration and a radiant complexion. The Snail Mucin is harvested in a safe and environmentally friendly way. If you're looking for a moisturizer that provides deep hydration and a healthy glow while being mindful of ethical sourcing, you should consider it. What people say. My face feels smooth yet clean when I apply this. It's so light, and you use just a touch per application, so you know there's no buildup on your face. It's incredibly lightweight, yet deeply hydrates, quickly absorbs without stickiness, and noticeable improves my skin texture and hydration levels. Amazing product, and it's lightweight while keeping your skin smooth and healthy. Number 1. FUNNIR Snail Mucin Moisturizer 92%. This moisturizer is infused with 92% snail mucin. It creates a moisturizing barrier to plump and hydrate your skin. It's a great choice for dehydrated and damaged skin. This gel-type cream repairs and soothes irritated skin. It's perfect for skin that's been affected by breakouts. The formula includes snail mucin, hyaluronic acid, and betaine to strengthen your skin barrier. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It won't leave a sticky or oily residue. It delivers nutrients to your skin and helps revive its radiance. The snail mucin is collected in a safe and environmentally friendly way. The process ensures that no snails are harmed. It's 100% natural and hypoallergenic. High-quality products are our priority. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us. We are committed to improving your experience with it. What we like. This lightweight cream is infused with 92% snail mucin to build a moisturizing barrier and repair damaged skin. It absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue, delivering nutrients and reviving skin radiance. If you have dehydrated or damaged skin and want a simple yet effective moisturizer, you should consider this one. What people say. It's super hydrating and leaves my face feeling plump, dewy, and refreshed. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling sticky or heavy. Over time, I've noticed my skin looks smoother, with less redness and irritation, and my acne scars are visibly fading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.